Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are starting a new video series that will show you how knowing C# means you can write Python too. If you are curious about either Python or C# and already know the other one, you are in the right place. Let's start with f-strings in Python. I'll first write a code snippet in Python, then show you the C# equivalent. If you want to develop Python on Mac using VS Code, check out the video linked in the description below. If your development setup is ready, click New File and select Python file to continue. Let's define some sample variables to use. Now, if you want to use a customer name in a string, you can use an f-string like I do here. Replace console write line with print, replace the $sign with f, and remove the semicolon. You can also multiply two different variables directly inside the f-string, just like you do in C#. Formatting decimals work the same way in C# too. And finally, you can use a ternary expression with f-strings, just like you do in C#. Run the code. VS Code will ask you to save the file if you haven't already. Name it and click Save. This is the output of our f-strings. You can use these strings anywhere in your views. Let me show you the C# code on the right so you can compare. As you can see, the output is exactly the same as in Python. That's it. If you enjoy the series and want to keep learning Python or C# by comparing the two, please like the video to support us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.